Good morning. My name is Viviana Zanabria. I'm 32. I live in Spain about 6 or 5 years ago. I first came here on vacations because I used to live in Wales. So I came here sometimes because I wanted to visit my mom who lives here. After those visits, I decided to stay here for a while. So that's why I am here. Okay, I already wrote down my cell phone number. And always open to receive any message or any ring at any time, but I always ask to be careful because the time difference but that we have between countries. I am in the last semester right now, so I'm really glad for it. I work at the same time as everybody, so it's a bit difficult to be on time with all the tasks, but I do my best. I also left my email, my personal address email, because that one is what I check every day. My expectation for this course is to identify my strongest English skill, to identify how to focus in different purposes for separately, and to learn how the subject works and getting new vocabulary and strategies. Well, those are my answer for the questions proposed. So my expectation for this course and what can I do for MEP10. So I already set my expectation. So well, I think that I can do is to spend a bit more time that normally I do because my work. So I should try to spend a bit more time with the study, with my task, and so that's how I can meet them. According to the context, do you think the course is important for this academic program? Of course, this is really important for my academic program because I need to identify how to be focused just on one strategy, or for my students or for my group, because we are not always teaching for children. We at some point will be teaching for any university, so they normally are doing that for any specific purpose, because if they have done all the English basic English levels before, so they will be at some point where they need the language for any specific purpose. So we have to go to that level, how to identify that, how to apply strategies and techniques for any strategy or any needs. So of course it's important. I think that this subject is like other level. What else? according to the course content, what are the 5 topics you like the most and why? Well, actually, I like all of them. I think that I seen a bit or an introduction of all of them, but I have not seen too much. I haven't gone deeply on each one, so I think that the one that I most like is exams. I think so because I am that kind of person who think that exam shouldn't be a punishment. It should be a charge of comments and or purposes for being or for getting better in that language or in that skill. So I would like to see how to manage them and a bit more into the exam topic. Well, I actually about the question 4. How the ESP relate to your language learning experience? Well, I work in a bakery, making coffees, but it will be really helpful, when I get my learning my experience, and with this learning experience that I am getting right now. Well, in all perspective, because I need to identify the material and strategies and how to apply them according to the people needs. Okay, and the last one, I consider that this course will be helpful because I have too many doubts about different topics and strategies, and I'm pretty sure that these subjects will help me to solve them. And so obviously teacher always are in a continuous learning process, so these subjects, as all English subjects, are helpful for me, for my language, and for my process. So thank you so much.